श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुभावमरविन्ददलायतायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने स्वस्थितम् अग्रे वाचेति प्रभञ्जनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परम् व्याख्यान्तं वरदादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। जय श्री राम. Dear devotees, this year April 21st 2 o'clock we are going to have a Sita Rama Kalyana Mahotsavam. This year special because of Rama Ayodhya Rama Pratishtha was done this year. We are going to have special Kalyanotsavam 2 o'clock. Please come and participate, get the Rama's blessing. This is Loka Kalyanardham. Whole universe has to be peace and happy and prosperous. So we are doing Kalyanotsavam. All the devotees, please come participate and the Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, Anjaneya Swami blessings. This is a great opportunity. Don't miss. This is a whole America. They will come and join the Maha Kalyanotsavam. Thank you.
क्रोधनाम संवत्सरम चैत्र मासम
नवमी
चैत्र शुक्ल नवमी पुनर्सु नक्षत्रम सीताराम कल्याणोत्सव महोत्सवम Sunday after normal Srinivasa Swami Abhishekam was done by 11 o'clock, followed for Alangaram. 2 o'clock Kalyana Mahotsavam starting here in this place. Everyone please tell your friends and family. We are welcome to everybody here for that special holy Kalyana Utsavam. Get blessings. Venkateshwara also, Sri Rama, all the best. God bless you all. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunadaya Nadaya Sitaya Pataye Namah Kalendraya Mahaniya Gunaptane Chakravarti Tanujaya Sarvabhaumaya Mangalam Mangalatadana Parair Madacharya Purogamai Sarvaisya Purvai Rajaryai Satkrudayastu Mangalam Govinda Govinda